Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is only lasting for about 5 minutes, this can be incredibly frustrating. This issue typically arises when the battery has degraded over time and can no longer hold a sufficient charge. If this problem isn't addressed promptly, it may lead to further complications, potentially affecting the overall performance of your device. To replace the battery, you will need a few tools: a compatible replacement battery for the Dyson V8, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth to protect your device. First, ensure that your Dyson V8 is switched off and unplugged. Locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove them. As you do this, keep the screws in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Take care not to force it, as this could damage the plastic clips. With the casing open, you should see the battery clearly. It's usually located at the bottom section. Gently disconnect the battery by unclipping the connectors attached to it. Ensure you are applying minimal force to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, remove the old battery by unscrewing it from its housing. Be mindful of any screws that may fall during this process. Once the old battery is out, take your new replacement battery and position it in the same orientation as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. After this, reconnect the battery connectors carefully, ensuring they are firmly attached. Now, carefully close the casing of your Dyson V8, aligning it properly before pressing it down to snap it into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the casing. Once everything is back together, charge your Dyson V8 for a few hours before testing it out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent similar issues in the future, ensure you regularly clean the filters and avoid overcharging your battery. It's also advisable to store your device in a cool, dry place when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.